The Zonesun ZS-LP1200L disc-type accumulation table is designed to be positioned immediately after a VFFS packaging machine, enabling finished sachets or pouches to drop directly onto the rotating surface for organized collection. Constructed from SUS 304 stainless steel, it ensures durability, hygiene, and long service life. Featuring variable speed control and customizable diameter and height, it adapts seamlessly to different production requirements. Ideal for snacks, tea, sauces, and other bagged products, it provides efficient accumulation, buffering, and orderly outfeeding for small to medium-scale packaging lines.